Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a support letter for a friend. What is a support letter for a friend? A support letter for a friend is a heartfelt written communication in which an individual expresses their encouragement, care, and emotional support to a friend facing a challenging situation or milestone in their life. These letters are often composed to offer comfort, motivation, or assistance during difficult times, such as illness, loss, personal struggles, or significant life events. The primary purpose of a support letter for a friend is to provide emotional support and show solidarity. These letters typically convey empathy, understanding, and a willingness to stand by the friend's side, offering words of encouragement, sharing memories, or recounting shared experiences. Support letters for friends can be powerful tools for strengthening friendships and providing a sense of comfort during challenging moments in life. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a support letter for a friend step by step. Check this out. First of all, write your information as a sender of this letter. You may put this on the envelope. And it is fine to mention it again here. Write your full name. Under it, write your home address. For the next, write the date of the letter. And then, write the information about the recipient. You need to write the full name. And write the recipient's home address. When you do it, don't forget to include the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. And now, you can open the letter with friendly salutation. You can write "Dear my friend, my bestie," and so on. Feel free to modify it since this is an informal letter. In the first paragraph, you can begin with a warm and friendly greeting. You can simply write, "I hope this letter finds you in good spirits." And then, continue by expressing your care and concern for your friend. Remember, this is not an exact format, and you don't have to get stuck with format. Just follow your heart when you write the letter. For example, the writer here told the friend, "I wanted to take a moment to reach out and let you know how much our friendship means to me, especially during the challenging times you're facing." Sure, your friend would love it when your friendship means a lot to you. In the second paragraph, you can take a moment to convey your support. Yes, you have to ensure that you let your friend know that you are there for them during their challenging times. This will mean a lot to your friend. For example as, "First and foremost, I want you to know that I'm here for you, no matter what." And continue by offering your willingness to be a source of comfort, a listening ear, or assistance as needed. Just imagine when you are in hardships, and what do you expect from your friends? Write the letter that will make you smile when you read it in your hardships. For example as, "Life can throw unexpected curveballs. And I want you to lean on me whenever you need support, a listening ear, or just a friend to talk to." This will make your friend feel no more lonely. In the third paragraph, acknowledge your friend's strength and resilience. You should bring positive vibe. Your friend needs it the most. For example, you can write something like, "I've witnessed your strength and resilience in the face of adversity. And I couldn't be prouder to call you my friend." It will be good if you share your admiration for their positivity and determination in facing adversity. For example as, "Your determination and positivity are truly inspiring. And I have no doubt that you will overcome any obstacles in your path." Just like what I said before, there is no format in writing informal letter. So, feel free to write your own version. This is just a reference, maybe you don't know what to write. In the fourth paragraph, you can extend specific offers of help or simply spending time together. And of course, you can reiterate your commitment to being a supportive friend. Offer your friend a help. For example as, "If there's anything specific I can do to help, or if you ever want to grab a cup of coffee and chat, please don't hesitate to reach out." You really need to make sure that your friend knows you are always there for them. In order to do so, you may write, "Your well-being and happiness are important to me. And I'm committed to being there for you." Be honest and sincere when you write the letter, so the recipient can feel your kindness through the letter. And the fifth paragraph, offer words of encouragement. Yes, you need to assure your friend that they have a support network. For example, as, "In the meantime, remember that you have a circle of friends who care deeply about you. And we're all here to support you through thick and thin." Sure, you can express your belief in better days ahead. This will motivate your friend to not give up. Simply, you can write, "Take care, my dear friend. And know that brighter days are ahead." And finally, for the closing, you can use a warm and friendly closing, such as, "With warmest wishes," or, "Take care," followed by your signature and typed name. You can also write "With warmest wishes and friendship" for a warm closing. So, that's how you write a support letter for friends step by step. Imagine your friend who is struggling right now, smiling reading your letter. Sure, it means a lot. So, good luck in writing your own letter. Let's spread love. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.